ever wondered what tools doctors, nurses, and hospitals use every day to save lives? From simple thermometers to advanced MRI machines, medical equipment plays a vital role in healthcare. Today, we'll explore medical equipment, its history, types, and how it's changing the future of medicine. Medical equipment refers to all tools, machines, and devices used in healthcare to diagnose, monitor, and treat patients. These devices can be as simple as a stethoscope or as complex as a surgical robot. Medical equipment is essential for accurate diagnosis, effective treatment, and patient safety. The history of medical equipment goes back centuries. Simple tools like scalpels and thermometers existed long ago, but modern medical equipment started evolving in the 19th and 20th centuries. The invention of X-rays in 1895 by William Röntgen revolutionized medicine. Since then, technology has advanced rapidly with devices like MRI machines, ventilators, and robotic surgical systems, changing how we treat patients. Medical equipment can be divided into several categories. Diagnostic equipment, tools to detect illnesses like X-rays, MRIs, and blood tests. Therapeutic equipment, devices that treat conditions like ventilators, dialysis machines, and surgical robots. Monitoring equipment, instruments that track patient health, such as blood pressure monitors, pulse oximeters, and ECG machines. Laboratory equipment used for analyzing samples like microscopics, centrifuge, and chemical analyzers. Some common medical devices include a stethoscope for listening to heart and lungs, thermometers measure body temperature, blood pressure monitor tracks blood pressure to prevent heart problems, ECG machines for detect heart rhythm abnormalities, ventilator helps patient breathe, MRI and CT scanners provide detailed internal images. Robotic surgery systems assist surgeons in complex operations. These devices not only save lives but also make treatment safer and more accurate. Medical equipment allows doctors to detect diseases early, monitor chronic conditions, perform surgery safely, and provide emergency care. For example, ventilators can save patients with severe respiratory problems, and dialysis machines keep kidney patients alive. Imaging devices like MRI and CT scans allow precise diagnosis without invasive surgery. The future of medical equipment is exciting. We are seeing smart devices that connected to the internet, wearable monitors, AI assistants, diagnostics, and advanced robotic surgery systems. Technology is making healthcare more personalized, faster, and safer than ever before. To summarize, medical equipment is the backbone of modern healthcare. From simple tools to complex machines, these devices save lives, improve diagnosis, and make treatment safer. Which medical devices do you find most fascinating? Comment below and share your thoughts.